What if the foods you eat every day are silently destroying your brain and body? I'm a board-certified physician practicing in the US, and in this video, I'll reveal how ultra-processed foods are aging you from the inside out. Stick with me, because what you learn today may completely change the way you eat. Ultra-processed foods, also called UPFs, aren't just junk food. They are chemically altered products made in factories, loaded with artificial flavors, preservatives, emulsifiers, and sweeteners. Think packaged snacks, frozen meals, flavored yogurts, sugary cereals, soda, and even energy bars. They often come with health claims, but are stripped of real nutrition. Picture this: a real apple versus apple-flavored gummies. One grows from a tree, the other from a laboratory. Why do we eat them? Convenience, marketing, and yes, addiction. These foods are engineered to hijack your brain's reward system. You crave more, and your body pays the price. But how exactly do these foods damage your brain and body? Let's dig into what they do. Deep inside your vessels and nerves. Now that we understand what ultra-processed foods are, let's look at how they physically damage your body. It starts in the smallest places: your vessels and nerves. Eating ultra-processed foods causes your blood sugar to spike fast. This triggers a flood of insulin and creates chronic inflammation. Your blood vessels, especially the tiny ones in your brain and heart, become stiff and inflamed. Over time, this raises your risk for stroke, heart attack, and even early memory loss. Your brain depends on healthy vessels for oxygen and nutrients. When these vessels narrow, the brain doesn't get what it needs. The result? Brain fog, slower processing, and yes, a greater risk of dementia, even starting in your 40s. And it doesn't stop there. Your nerves are like electrical wires. They need clean, efficient communication. Ultra-processed foods coat them in inflammation, causing misfires. You may feel numbness, tingling, slow reflexes, even mood swings. This inflammation leads to oxidative stress, which means your cells are aging faster. You may look fine on the outside, but inside, your body is burning out. Here's a clinical truth: your gut and brain are directly connected. Ultra-processed foods disrupt gut bacteria, which leads to fatigue, poor memory, and even depression. Yes, what you eat affects your mood. So what can you do about it? Stay tuned, because in the next few minutes we'll show you how to fight back. Let's clear something up. Eating healthy doesn't mean tasteless or boring. The real problem isn't fat, it's fake food. Your body was made to thrive on real food, not food-like substances. Here are a few simple swaps you can make right now. Replace sugary cereals with steel-cut oats, cinnamon swap soda for sparkling water, with lemon trade packaged snacks for nuts, seeds, or real fruit. Cook with olive oil instead of seed oils. These small choices protect your brain, calm your nerves, and keep your blood vessels young. Ready to take back control? Try this challenge. For 7 days, avoid any food with more than 5 ingredients you can't pronounce. You'll be shocked at how different you feel, mentally and physically. People often say, but eating healthy is expensive. Here's the truth. So is medicine. So are hospital visits. Your health is the greatest investment you'll ever make. Picture this. You wake up clear-headed. You have the energy to play with your kids or grandkids. Your memory is sharp. You live longer and live better. And all of that starts with food. If this video opened your eyes, subscribe for more physician-backed insights. Share it with someone you love, because your brain and theirs are listening to every bite. Before you go, I'd love to hear from you. What's one small change you'll make this week to eat healthier? Drop it in the comments. Because when you speak it, you're more likely to live it. Don't wait. Your health doesn't pause. and neither should your actions. Keep learning, keep moving forward, and as always, I'll be here in the next video, walking that journey with you.